Few moments that lift our spirit. Motivation Minute.
Alam niyo ba na ang salitang communion in original Greek is the word koinonia, meaning fellowship. It also has the idea of an intimate participation, tulad nga lang daw ng intimacy a husband and wife share when they say and do things in private. Isn't that beautiful? Whenever you partake of the communion, it's time of intimacy between you and the Lord. It's a time you set aside to remember your heavenly bridegroom who loved you so much and gave himself up for you. Alam niya kaagapay ang mga takot sa puso mo. Alam niya ang bawat karamdaman na iniinda mo. Run to Him and cast all your cares, all your worries and anxieties upon Him because He cares for you so much. That is how the Father loves you. As you take time to commune with Him and remember Him through the Holy Communion, you become an intimate participator of the benefits of the body and the blood. Kaagapay, ano ba ang kailangan mo ngayon? Run to our Father, commune with Him, and be intimate and be one with the Father. This is Claire Pineda giving you another encouraging message. Stay tuned for more of Motivation Minutes, only here on 702 DZAS FEBC Radio TV.
Few moments that lift our spirit. Motivation Minute.